I told you next time I got something in the mail for my video camera, I was going to show you. And I don't have my video camera in here. Of course, I have it on right now. And I got this at Amazon. And it's for my video camera. And it could come in for a good idea for you if you're going to use your video camera a lot. Oh yes, dual digital battery charger. Nice. That's what I wanted. I think I'm going to like this. You see, it gives enough room for 2 different batteries that I can charge at the same time. I can plug it in inside the car with a cigarette lighter. Just plug that in. This here looks like it's going to plug into the side here, right there. And then I've also got one that will plug right in to an electrical outlet. And that looks like it's going to plug in right there. So I got either or. And I wanted to show you, I got some awesome batteries. Look how fat these batteries are. This is the biggest one you can get, and I got 3 of those. I think they were 3, you could get 3 for like 20 bucks or something, or no, $19.99 maybe for 2. But I got a 3-pack, and I ended up getting some other stuff too for a charger, just one quick charger. Oh, here it is. This is what I got from before. And you can plug that into the side like that. You can also, if you're going international, you can do that. And then it also came with the with both the cigarette lighter and the other. It came with that. This was the cigarette lighter thing, and then you plug this into the wall, like I showed you. And what else did it come with? It came with all kinds of stuff. It came with 3 huge batteries. See this? Look at that. I wasn't really going to show you this, and it came with a cute little stand, and I can screw the camera onto there and put it on a counter or something if I want to shoot. And I've already did that one time, and it worked out pretty cool. See, when you get your video camera in the when you normally buy it, it only comes with 1 battery. Look at that. That's all it comes with, at least the one that I got initially. And then I got a bigger battery. It was a little bit wider. And then I thought, nothing doing. I want to get the big ones. And so I got this whole set. This whole set here was like $49. And my one battery that I got from before was about that fat, and I got that somewhere else, and that was 50 bucks. That was a few years ago. But anyways, I got the double charger because I can charge 2 of these, and as a quick charger, I can charge 2 of these at the same time. I can plug them in here and put 2 up here. Any size battery that you have, even if you got the small batteries, you can charge the small battery too. But anyways, I can do 2 at a time because I want to make sure, and then I'll have my other one with me, you know, in the video camera. If I have to, I can plug this into, because I'm going to be going out on the road and I'm going to be making more videos for you. And so anytime that I'm doing a video, I'll be ready with all my extra batteries and stuff. And worst case, you know, your video camera usually comes with a charger. Here, see, here's one here. I can plug this into the wall, and I can plug this directly in to the video camera. And that's how I used to charge my video camera all the time before I had these chargers. Okay, but then I can only do that 1 battery at a time, or if the battery was low, I could just plug this directly in to the video camera and run an extension cord with this, and then still make my videos. And I've done that before too. Okay, so lots of different options for you when it comes to running your video camera. Get ready and make some videos, will you? You're probably wondering, hey Joe, you didn't say how much this charger was. Well, I forget now, but as I recall, it was a great price. Dual digital battery charger. You gotta get one of these. Well, I'm at my mother's house. I'm just getting ready to go on a road trip with my video camera and all my different stuff for it. I even got some little SanDiscs, and these are 64 gigabyte. Look at this, I got 4 of these even too. And I'll bring those out on my road trip as well. Stick around for more videos because I'm gonna make some more for you coming up. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.